You know, I was forewarned not to venture down this road, and I did not listen. Now I have been bitten by the Funko Pop bug. Davey, I'm blaming you for this. TJ here, and I'm back with another video, but a little different video of what I'm going to unbox. So you know what, let's just get right into it. We can skip all the subscribe stuff. You already know what to do, okay? If you're subscribed, I rock with you, I love you, I appreciate you. If you are not subscribed, hopefully you like this video enough, or any one of these videos, whether it's sneaker, budget related, Funko Pop related, whatever. Hopefully you rock with it. Now, based on my shirt, you should know what show I am a fan of. So this is a Pickle Rick shirt. If you are not down with Rick and Morty, I don't know where you've been. I mean, I don't know. You know what? There are a lot of people that may not rock with that kind of humor. It is a lot of satire, a lot of intellectual humor. If you don't rock with it, I'm sorry. But that's kind of what I am into. That's what I like. So if you've been around for the year that I've been around now, back on YouTube, you know that the intro for my videos before I changed up the intro was actually the Rick and Morty theme song. So, I have a Funko Pop, my very first Funko Pop. Your girl is happy. You probably can't even guess which Funko Pop this is, can you? Okay, let me just say this. I felt that this was very fitting of who I am, because I am, people like to call me like I'm little, but I'm strong, right? I'm little, but I'm strong. So this is the Funko Pop that I went with. So I went with the, you can call it the Sentient Arm Morty. So if you are familiar with season 3, I believe episode 2, it's called Rick Mancing the Stone. So as Beth and, what is the dad? Why can I not think of the dad's name? But as Beth and her husband are going through a divorce, the kids are not handling it well, Rick is not handling it well, so they decide to go in search of this, you know, what was it, like isotope 322 or something like that. And so they end up on this post-apocalyptic world, and while Rick is trying to steal this stone and he's using the kids like as a distraction, he he ends up injecting Morty this dead arm he finds, so he can go into like the battle dome or the blood dome pretty much. So he can go into the blood dome and he can be the distraction that is needed so he can steal it. But you know what? I feel like this plays very much so into myself. Look at, I don't care, I'm taking my little dude out. Right? So it's just this little unsuspecting Morty with this big old arm that, I mean, clearly, dude been working. Dude been in the gym. He has been working. Do you guys see him? I think he's amazing. He's always got this little sad face, right? That's Morty. If you know Morty, Morty's just, oh geez, like that's him. I absolutely love my little guy. He's my very first Funko Pop, and unfortunately I have another Funko Pop now on the way. Once again, I'm blaming Davey. I was told these can be more addictive than sneakers. They are a lot cheaper. They play more to your personality of whatever you may be interested in. You could just like a shoe, but something like this where you are so ingrained into a show that you start to use those little sayings in your everyday language or vernacular, that means actually a little bit more than sneakers. So I love my little dude. You guys can let me know what you think of him. Is this a good representation of me? Like pretty little, you would think, very unsuspecting, that he's got this massive arm and he starts punching the shit out of people in the show. Actually, he kills a lot of people in the blood dome, but I'm so excited for him. So just got him in. Wanted to unbox him kind of as you know, an homage to Davey, because he, you know, if you not know who I'm talking about, you know, Where Is Your Father? But I think they're gonna change the name. He's gonna change the name of the channel soon. But Davey McFly with 2 Y's, because he likes to do Funko Pop Fridays. Now I think that dude has like 45 Funko Pops or something at this point. He's the person to go to if you're looking for Funkos, you want to trade or anything like that with him. But I got my first little dude, and I feel like I'm a little afraid, like there's gonna be more to come. There's probably gonna be more to come. Thanks guys for watching and accepting my goofiness in this video. Peace out.